Hi, welcome to Creating Kind of Video!
Hello and welcome to another Creating Kindness Design Team video hop. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me today. This month, my friends and I are going to be sharing video ideas for cards or for packaging products that are meant for gift giving. I've created a card that has a hidden pocket that is perfect to hide either some cash or a gift card for a graduate or maybe for a birthday. I'm focusing on graduates because this is the season in my community where we have young people that are graduating from high school and from college. So lots of gifts are needing to be given out at this time. I'm creating a panel that is from watercolor paper and giving a simple watercolor wash. First, the paper is wet with the tap water that's in the aqua painter by squeezing the barrel across the paper and spreading out the water evenly. Then I've added a light coat of balmy blue stamp pad. I've just dipped in the ink from the stamp pad. That's for the sky. And then the bottom portion is more balmy blue, but in a higher concentration with some added diluted color of blueberry bushel. I really like these new colors from Stampin Up. They work perfectly together. To add a little bit of a focal point, I'm using a scrap piece of watercolor paper. And do note that there is a bumpy side and a smooth side when it comes to watercolor paper. Stamping on the smooth side will allow a nice stamped image. However, stamping on the bumpy side can be a little bit troublesome when it comes to getting a clearly stamped image. I want to add a custom greeting, and Thoughtful Banners stamp set works perfectly. There is all sorts of different things. I find that I am using this stamp set a lot around this time of year. There's a Father's Day and a Mother's Day sentiment. I like the sentiment in it that says "from us." There's lots of different practical uses. There's a ton of words. Plus I found one more hidden use that I'll share with you in just a moment. The sailboats are from Lily Pad Lake with the lakeside framelets. That's a new product that's now available in my online store. To create the raised portion or the pocket area for the gift packaging, I'm using some of the foam adhesive strips that I have added onto the back of a layered piece of cardstock that will allow enough space for a gift card or for some cash to be able to slide in and out very easy. The circle tab punch is a perfect little hand grab for me to attach to a gift card, and it just punches out too easily and folds in half. It's just a wonderful little tool. So inside the Thoughtful Banners stamp set, there's this tiny little arrow. It's little bitty, but look how well I can use it to create a directional arrow, and that way the graduate that's going to receive this gift package is going to be able to see that there's something hiding underneath that hidden panel and that it might be something that they would enjoy. So it will be obvious that there's something there, but it's going to be a little bit of a surprise. Because this is already a nicely raised panel, I'm attaching the boats down to the watercolor panel with some mini glue dots. For the inside of the project, I'm using the wave image that is from Lily Pad Lake, and I'm stamping with balmy blue, and then the sentiment from Lily Pad Lake is stamped in blueberry bushel. These are two very nice new colors that I'm really enjoying using for the look of ocean or for lake, and maybe a few other things as well. If you haven't checked out the new in colors yet, don't miss them. Be sure to check them out. Just to give a little bit of something else that I felt was needed on the left side of the card, I'm adding a piece of white baker's twine that is simply strung around the fold of the card and tied into a very simple bow. My fingers don't always want to cooperate when I'm tying bows, and so I use the end of my paper snips to pull that little end through, and it's just enough of a help to be able to do what the end of my fingers cannot do. And that's the complete project. This is a nice little gift package that's perfect for a guy. This would be nice for a girl as well, but I'm focusing on guys because I have a whole ton of boys that are graduating and will need lots and lots of gift cards. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to click the link to the next video in the video description below. Have a great day.